Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to enable repost on TikTok. Open your TikTok app. First, you need to tap on this profile button in the bottom right corner. Then you can go to your profile. Now you can find these three lines in the top right corner. So tap on it. Then you need to go to settings and privacy option in here. Next, tap on this privacy option. Then scroll down and you will find this report option in here. You need to tap on that. Now you can enable video report in here. Click on this button to enable it. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.